If you're considering Sage Sales Tax by Avalara, there are 12 key things you should know before buying. This sales tax software is often compared to other popular tools like TaxJar or Vertex, but is it really the right fit for your business? Let's break it down and see how it stacks up. First thing, Sage Sales Tax offers seamless integration with Sage ERP systems. If your business is already using Sage for accounting, this could be a huge time saver. But if you're using a different platform, like QuickBooks or Xero, you might find that other competitors like TaxJar offer more flexibility. Next thing, automation. Sage Sales Tax automates sales tax calculation for transactions, which reduces manual work and errors. This is a key feature for larger businesses, but it's important to note that while Sage's automation is reliable, competitors like Vertex offer more advanced tools for complex, multi-state tax rules. The third thing, compliance updates. With constantly changing tax laws, staying compliant is critical. Sage Sales Tax automatically updates to reflect these changes, which is great for ensuring you're always up to date. That said, some users report that Sage's updates may lag slightly compared to the near-instant updates you get from alternatives like Avalara's core platform. The fourth thing, reporting. Sage offers detailed reporting, but it's primarily geared towards businesses already within the Sage ecosystem. If you're running a smaller business or using other platforms, tools like TaxJar might offer simpler, more accessible reports without being tied to a specific accounting system. Next thing, ease of use. While Sage is powerful, it's not always the most intuitive. Some users report a steeper learning curve, especially when it comes to configuring your setup. For those new to sales tax software, competitors like TaxJar are known for having a more user-friendly interface and faster onboarding process. The sixth thing, pricing. Sage Sales Tax is not the cheapest option. While it offers great value for larger businesses with complex needs, smaller companies may find that TaxJar or even Avalara's basic offerings provide better price-to-performance ratios for their needs. Next thing, international support. If your business operates globally, Sage Sales Tax has international tax features. But if your focus is mostly within the US, other options like TaxJar may provide better, more tailored support for domestic taxes without the extra complexity of international rules. The eighth thing, customer support. Sage Sales Tax offers solid customer service, but there have been reports of longer response times compared to competitors like Avalara, which has a reputation for offering fast, round-the-clock support for users in need. The ninth thing, customization. Sage is known for offering robust customization options, but this can make the setup more complex. For smaller businesses or those with less specific needs, alternatives like TaxJar offer easier plug-and-play solutions. Next thing, integration flexibility. Sage Sales Tax integrates with popular e-commerce platforms and accounting software, but it's more tailored for larger businesses that use Sage ERP. If you use Shopify, WooCommerce, or other popular platforms, you might find that Avalara or TaxJar offer smoother integrations. The 11th thing, scalability. Sage Sales Tax is ideal for growing businesses with complex needs. But if you're just starting out, a competitor like TaxJar or Avalara's lower tier plans might be better suited for your needs, as they offer more basic yet reliable solutions. The final thing, the free trial. While Sage Sales Tax doesn't always offer a clear free trial, alternatives like Avalara provide trial periods for their products, allowing you to test out their software before committing fully. Overall, Sage Sales Tax by Avalara is a solid option for larger businesses, especially those already using Sage ERP. But if you're looking for a better fit with more flexibility and an easier setup process, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.